Oh, and I took another church sequence, another church we've pinched off you. Actually, I think it is still Roman Catholic in Strasbourg. Now, Strasbourg to me sounds about as Swiss or German as you can get, but it's actually in France because it's right on the border. And I think the French have gone and pinched it because I think over the last 500 or 600 years, they've sort of argued about who owns it. So, for a while it's German, then it's French, then it's German again, then it's French. But we've been there before, and it's a beautiful city. You'd really like that one. And I filmed the church bells as they just started ringing.